Hello guys, as a beginner you may have made many projects, may some from YouTube, but from on your own. But what about if you can release those projects online? Here I'm going to explain you important things to know before releasing your app. Like, do we have to pay money for releasing app? Or on which platform should we release our app? And many more things to know. Now first, ensure that your app should have a GUI, a graphical user interface. It's important because without a GUI, a normal user will not understand the use of app. It will be very confusing for a person to use a black screen with text without any mouse support. Now, if you are a beginner and don't know about how to make a GUI, then it can be made from libraries available online. Like if you made your app in Python, then Tinkter library can be best. And if you made your app with C, then libraries like GDK can help. And for other languages, you can search on Google for necessary libraries. And there are many tutorials on YouTube which can help you to use these libraries. Now you have to choose your platform or operating system. That there is Windows, Mac OS, Linux, etc. If you think that your particular program will run on any OS, then you are wrong. Some things can be good in Windows but bad in Mac OS. Here you can choose only one OS. Like you decide to release your app only in Windows, then it will be running in Windows perfectly. This will be easy for you as you don't have to make your app compatible for any other OS. Here you can also make your application for mobile devices. Like for Android, apps made in Java or Kotlin can run perfectly. However, if you made your application in Python or C++, then process can be complicated. For Python, you can convert your code to Java file by compilers like Qt, Beware, etc. Here you have to write your Python code and the compiler will convert that code into a Java executable file. You can also make a server using any cloud platform like DigitalOcean, Google Cloud, Amazon Web Services, etc. And you can run your Python app in that server and user can access that app through a website. For C++, you can use SDK library which can help you to make your app compatible for Android. For other languages, you can also search on Google. And after that, on which store you will release your application. Like there are many stores, Google Play Store, App Store, Mac App Store, Microsoft Store, etc. Here Play Store, App Store can be chosen for mobile devices, whereas Microsoft Store, Mac App Store for Windows, Mac OS. However, other than these stores, many other stores are also available like Amazon App Store, F-Droid, GetJar. These are also some stores you can release your mobile app. But as we know that people usually don't use these stores. They always download their app from any official store like Google Play Store or App Store. So prioritize these stores first. Now if you don't want to release your application to any of these stores, then you can also release your app in your own website. Yeah, you can make your website with WordPress easily and you can release your application for download. But here our main question arrives, that do we have to pay money for our releasing app? Unfortunately, yes. We have to pay costs associated to their developer account. Means official stores like Microsoft Store, Play Store, App Store, they cost some money before releasing our first app. Let me tell you some of the cost prices currently. For Play Store, you have to pay $25 one time for making a developer account. Here if you think that your app will be free to download, so it will not cost any money to open a developer account, then you are wrong, because no matter your app will be free or paid, you have to pay one time $25 to Play Store. After that you can release many apps. And if your app will be paid, then you have to give 30% revenue share to Play Store. For App Store, you have to pay annual fee about $99, means $99 every year. Then you can release your app in App Store. And for Microsoft Store, you have to pay one time $19 to release a paid app. And if your app will be free, then you don't have to pay $19. It will be free of cost. Alongside, you have to pay $19 per year too, no matter your app will be free or paid. Now the cost prices I told may change in future, so please check out those prices on Google if they get changed. And the last important thing is marketing. If people don't know about your app, then it is highly possible that your app will not receive any downloads and you may be a loss. So please ensure these things first. And as far as I know, you can do your marketing by Google Ads. You have to make an account for that, and I don't know exactly, but you may have to pay some costs for displaying ads, such as in YouTube videos, search results, website, etc. And if you have made any app which is very useful, then please comment about that. It will be very interesting to know your app ideas. Thanks for watching.